Ever pondered how nature combats pests without the use of synthetic chemicals? The answer lies in organic pest control, a captivating tale of innovation and harmony between humans and the environment. Our story begins in the early 20th century when the detrimental effects of chemical pesticides started raising eyebrows. Pioneers like Rachel Carson, author of the groundbreaking book Silent Spring, propelled the movement for safer pest control methods. She highlighted the dangerous impacts of chemical pesticides on our health and the environment, paving the way for a new era of pest control. Over the years, the drive for organic pest control gained momentum, with researchers worldwide contributing to its advancements. The organic pest control narrative is filled with breakthroughs, each one an interesting chapter in this ongoing saga. A key player in this field is the International Society for Horticultural Science, which has been instrumental in promoting the use of organic pest control. They've been researching and experimenting with various natural methods such as biological control, where natural predators of pests are introduced to manage their population. The spotlight also shines on the role of farmers who have embraced these methods. From using insect-repelling plants to employing beneficial insects, farmers have been the torchbearers of this movement, transforming their fields into models of sustainable farming. The impact of their efforts is truly remarkable. Organic pest control not only reduces the harmful effects of chemical pesticides, but also enhances soil fertility, biodiversity, and crop health. It's a win-win for farmers, consumers, and the planet. To put into perspective, imagine a world where our food is free from harmful pesticide residues, where our soils are healthy and rich in nutrients, and where our ecosystems thrive. That's the world organic pest control is paving the way towards. In essence, organic pest control is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to work in harmony with nature. It's a story of pioneers, breakthroughs, and impacts, all woven together to create a healthier, more sustainable future. As we journey through this captivating narrative, remember that each one of us plays a role in this story. By supporting organic farming and making conscious choices, we can contribute to this movement and help write the next chapters in the story of organic pest control. So the next time you bite into an organic apple or sip on organic tea, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of nature that's happening behind the scenes. It's a dance that's choreographed by nature and perfected by us, humans, through organic pest control. In conclusion, organic pest control is more than just a method. It's a philosophy, a way of life that respects and works with nature. It's a solution that ensures healthy crops, a thriving environment, and a safer world for all of us.